Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we are cooking Sukuma wiki or collard greens. And after frying your onions, add your tomatoes, saute or fry them until they are soft like mine there, as you can see. And once they are cooked, add your collard greens. I've mixed mine with some spinach, and I'm going to cook them. It shows that my pan is a little bit smaller. The sukuma wikis a lot, but don't worry. Normally vegetables like sukuma wiki, they have a tendency of like showing their volume when they are not cooked, but once they are cooked, they will reduce in size. Like, I mean, the quantity will reduce. So continue adding them as you're stirring here. And I have cooked my collard or sukuma wiki today with tomatoes. I normally don't like to add tomatoes in my skuma. I prefer using onions only, but normally it won't hurt. The tomatoes give it a very good color also, and add acidity on it. So yeah, you can still cook with tomatoes. And I'm going to take my sukuma wiki today with ugali. This is a favorite of many. Sukuma wiki is eaten mostly in East African countries. Kenya, we call it sukuma wiki because um, it has been called sukuma wiki because the name itself is like push the weak. Many families, middle class family, even everybody eats sukuma wiki, and it pushes the weak. That's why it says the name says sukuma wiki. Okay, so if this is your first time to visit my channel, consider subscribing. If you have subscribed already, thank you very much, and thank you for watching my videos. Continue watching, share it with your family and friends. Try out this very easy recipe. I've added some bell pepper. This is yellow bell pepper. I love red bell pepper because it's very colorful, but it's not a must. This is just optional. Add your salt and mix. As you can see, our sukuma wiki or collard greens are ready to eat, and they are so yummy and delicious. Thank you so much. I hope you love this recipe and you're gonna try out to cook. If you have any questions, please leave them at the comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.